Hello mga Katsabinogers and Katsabinoges. Okay, here I am again for another video tutorial. Okay, if you are excited, just stay there and relax. Okay, and watch this video up to the end. Okay. Alright, so for our video tutorial today is about making a video presentation. Okay, so ito yung tipong hindi lang siya presentation slide, but with the integration of a video, you discussing the topics on your slides or the lessons on your slides. Okay? Kumbaga, you are discussing in front of your students. Okay, saan nga ba natin ito magagamit? So, magagamit natin ito, for example, especially now that we are in a new normal. So, we will have like a distance learning. So, instead of just sending them a plain presentation of our lessons, so we can have it like have a video, kumbaga, sa presentation natin na ikaw nagdi-discuss ng lesson. So, si bata makikinig din habang piniplay nila yung presentation. Okay? Paano nga ba gagawin to? Alright. So, once na-open nyo na ang inyong topic, just like mine, this is just an example. So, pinili ko na lang tong topic na to para gawin example, just to give you the logic how to do it. Okay? Alright, so from this tab, look for slideshow. Okay, from this slideshow tab, look for the record slideshow. Click on the arrow down. So we have two options there, record from current slide or record from beginning. So for this example, I'm going to record it from beginning. Just click OK. So we have now this recording environment. So as you can see, I have my video there. Okay, so before we start, let's explain some of the tools that we can use, okay, on recording this slideshow. So here we have the highlighter. So we use this if you want to highlight some words. For example, ayan, while we are discussing. And we have also the eraser, delete it or to erase it. And we have a pen. Ayan. So yan ang gamit niya. So pwede natin siyang gamitin para bigyan emphasis sa mahalagang bagay. Okay. Then we can also change the color if you want. Just click on the color choices. Okay, this. There, and we have also the microphone settings or icon. If you want to turn it off or on, you can just click here. And here we have the camera icon if you want to turn it off or on. Okay. And here, if we want to close or clear the existing recording, and here we have the settings for the microphone and the camera. If we have other available device na gagamitin natin for the microphone or for the camera. And we have here the replay button and the stop and the record. Okay, siguro before we start, kailangan lang siguro mag-ready tayo ng script natin sa ating lesson para dito, para smooth yung magiging paggawa natin ng video presentation. Okay, to start, click on the record button. Alright, hello class, so this is your teacher Eric. So for today, I'm going to discuss about Google Classroom. Are you excited? Okay, so let's start. Okay, what is Google Classroom? Okay, Google Classroom is available to schools with Google Apps for education domain. Right, is a way to get all your students in one place and allows you to easily assign work and for students to turn it in. It has home base for Google Drive. It helps teachers to create and collect assignments paperlessly, includes time-saving features like for example making a copy of Google document for each student, creates drive folder for each assignment and student. Students can make track of what's due on the assignments page and begin working with just a click. So it's easily for the student to know if they have assigned activities or assignment to do. They just have to go on the assignment page to check on that. Okay? Then teachers can quickly see who has or hasn't completed the work and provide direct real-time feedback and marks from within the classroom so the teacher can easily grade the assignment of the students or the output of the students from that classroom or give real feedback, real-time feedback, okay, to that output. Okay, there. So all you need to do is just to click next or arrow down to go to your next slides and discuss each slide. Okay, I'm just giving you the logic how to do it. Okay, so ganyan lamang siya. Here, two ways to have students to join. So ayan, so we just need to discuss everything. Okay, kung ano yung nasa slide, kung explanation tayo, so sasabihin na natin. Okay, so now let's try to stop this recording. Okay, then close this here. Okay, so ano nga ba yung nangyari? As you can see here in each slide, may para na siyang video or may para na siyang yung video nyo. Okay, so we can make it bigger or smaller. Gusto nyo, ayan, para hindi na masyadong matatabunan yung slides natin. Okay, so ayan. Okay, kung ipi-play natin, ito yung nangyayari. So let's try. Go. So, ganyan po ang mangyayari. So, kapag sinend po natin ito sa ating mga estudyante, andun na po yung video natin na dinidiscuss yung lesson natin sa kada slides. Okay? So, I hope you learned something from this video. So, kung nakaabot po kayo dito sa portion na to, please do comment slideshow. Okay? Para alam ko na natapos niyo po itong video. Again, don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, and hit the bell button, okay, to get more updates from my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much and goodbye.